Very good morning, my dear boys of class 12. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic, motivation. I know that you have heard the term motivation. You all know the term motivation. What is motivation? But it is very difficult to explain the definition of motivation. What motivation actually is. Motivation is the moving force behind every action. Motivation is the moving force behind every action. A player may be good in games and sports, but he cannot perform well unless he or she doesn't get motivated, unless she gets motivated. Motivation is the force which pushes us forward towards our goal. It is the force to ignite, to initiate, to start. Motivation. Motivation is the drive, DRIVE, drive to strive, STRIVE. Motivation is the condition which energizes us, which makes us enthusiastic to perform better, maybe in games and sports, or it may be in academics. This is motivation. Motivation is the inner force which pushes us forward to attain our goal. It is a force which helps us to start, to ignite, to initiate, and we get ready to achieve better. Motivation. Now there are three types of motivations. First, primary motivation. There are two types of motivations: primary motivation and secondary motivation. What I was telling a sentence before, primary motivation, there are three types of primary motivations. Motivation may broadly be divided into two types: primary motivation, which is known as intrinsic motivation, and secondary motivation, extrinsic motivation. Primary motivation or intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation: an intrinsically motivated player plays for the sake of the game. His attitude is philanthropic. He or she wants to score good result because he or she loves the games and sports, and there is no materialistic earthly approach to win something. This is intrinsic motivation, primary motivation. And primary motivations is of three types. There are three types of which I was telling earlier, that is primary motivation. There are three types of primary motivation. Primary motivation, biological motivation. Sometimes you have also felt you are studying. Now you feel desperate to go to field and to play. This is our biological motivations. We are biologically motivated to channelize our energy, to burn our energy, and दिल कहता है ये चलो, let us go to the field and let's play football, let's play cricket. This is biological motivation. Clear? This is biological motivation. This is the inner urge, biological urge to play, to channelize, to burn the energy which we accumulate when we stay at home. So this is biological motivation. Up psychological motivation. What is psychological motivation? Now psychological motivation in sports is the product of the qualities of aggressive behavior in human beings. सच जो हमको खेलना है, I have to do well. This is psychological motivation, and sometimes positive aggression play a great role in motivating a player psychologically. Clear? And next, social motivation. Social motivation play a very important role. Suppose in Punjab and Haryana there are so many wrestling arena. In Kerala there are so many athletics track, and the younger generations the youngsters who are staying near a wrestling arena, कुश्ती का अखाड़ा जिसको बोलते हैं, और who is staying residing nearby a track, 400-meter track, 200-meter track, naturally the youngsters of that area get motivated. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, अच्छा उस एरिया का आदमी है तो अब तो वहाँ बहुत बड़ा बड़ा पहलवान कुश्तीगीर निकला है, वो एक सोशल प्रेशर रहते हैं भाई, आई स्टे एट दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस एंड देयर आर सो मेनी ग्रेट रेसलर्स, ग्रेट स्प्रिंटर्स, ग्रेट हॉकी प्लेयर्स, great athletes, great gymnastics have come out, and this is, I have to do something. This is social motivation. In secondary motivation or extrinsic motivation, I am coming in my next video. Thank you very much.